How to deposit check using First National mobile app. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can easily deposit check using the FNB Bank's mobile app. First, open up the FNB mobile app and log into your account using username and password from your main menu. And then you can just tap on the deposit option or select mobile deposit option. Next, you can choose the account you want to deposit the check to, and you need to make sure to sign your check. So what you need to do is just with your branch or at ATM, you must endorse or sign the back of your check. Then you can navigate your mobile deposit and enter your information. Select the deposit from the main menu with the mobile banking and then select deposit a check. Then select the account which you want to make a deposit to and enter the check amount. When you're ready, tap on next and take a picture. So after entering your deposit information, the app will prompt you to take a picture of the front of your check and place your signed check on a dark surface with plenty of overhead light. Make sure that both of the picture are clear. And after doing so, you can flip the check over at the center of it in the frame and we'll take a picture of you, then show you a preview. And if the preview looks good, select use and continue. Now you can just go ahead and click on proceed, and you need to keep the physical check with you for security reasons. And after some hours or a few days, your amount should be transferred to your account. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.